How to deposit check on Truist Bank account. Let's get started. First, open the Truist app on your mobile device. Then sign into your Truist account using the credentials. Once signed in, you will see the main interface. Head to the bottom right corner and tap on the deposit option. In the deposit section, select the account where you want to deposit the check by tapping Deposit To. Choose your desired account, for example, primary checking. Enter the amount you want to deposit and tap Done. Now it's time to take photos of your check. Place the check on a flat, well-lit surface. Tap on Take Photos and capture a clear image of the front of the check, making sure it's centered in the frame. Next, capture a clear image of the back of the check. Don't forget to shine the back before taking the picture. After taking the photos, tap on the deposit button, confirm the deposit details and tap deposit again. Once confirmed, tap go to my account to verify that the check has been successfully deposited. Following these steps, you will be able to deposit check on your Truist Bank app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.